In this short video, I'll show you how to change the key fob battery from a 2022 Kia Sorento. But my instructions will also work on other Kia vehicles using key fobs with a similar design. So first I'll flip the physical key out. And right on the inside edge is where I need to pry off the back cover. Hopefully you can see the narrow channel in there. For this I'm going to need a micro flathead screwdriver, also known as a precision screwdriver. But anything small and flat will work. I'll insert it just along the corner and gently lift up. It might take several tries along the edge, but the cover will eventually pop open. And when I take this off, there'll be another cover that needs to be removed. On this piece, I'll need my screwdriver again to take these screws out. These Phillips screws are super small, so it's a good idea to have a cup or container handy to put them in when they come out. And you really need one of these precision screwdrivers to work on these tiny screws. But once they're out, I can get a first look at the battery. Here, I can just pop it out easily. And this is the battery size for my Kia Sorento key fob. It's a CR2032, and I'll list this in the description so it's easy for you to find. To put the battery in, slip it in towards the bottom first. And now I can start reversing the process to get this all back together again. I hope you can see how easy it is to replace the battery in this remote. And to reiterate, a precision screwdriver is really the right tool for this. If you have a CR2032 on hand, this should only take you a couple of minutes to do. No need to go to the dealership where they'll charge you a lot more than the cost of the replacement battery. Okay, for the last step, line up the notch on the back cover to the top of the key fob. Then join all the edges together and snap it in. And that's it. Now this key fob is good for a number of years before it needs another battery replacement. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.